Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark's Supply Company. Today I'm going to have for you a 2017 BOBCAT T650 rubber track skid steer loader. This unit is in very good running working condition. The white paint is all original on this machine. We did paint the bottom gray. We chose to leave everything else original. Really nice machine. There's 2,883 hours on this, I believe. Brand new 16-inch wide tracks just installed. Brand new OEM BOBCAT sprockets just put on it. Very good running machine. It is a very straight loader. It is cab, heat, air. It is a single speed. It is standard controls. Power bob attach. Does have the auto reversing fan option, which is nice. Does have auto level. 74 horsepower machine, so you have no DPF to deal with, no urea. This just has an EGR valve. So we're going to walk you around this machine, show you everything about it, start it, run it, show you everything it's supposed to do. As you can see, the back door is all original. We did not paint it. I wanted to let it just the way it was. It showed the truth of the machine. It's just very nice and straight. In the engine compartment, this is going to have a BOBCAT D24 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. There is no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature whatsoever. Again, 74 horse machine, and you do not have any of that crap on these engines, such as your DPF or urea, anything like that. Again, 74 horsepower, 4-cylinder turbo diesel. Back up here in the back of the frame of the boom, the cylinder hold alignment mounts are all in very good shape. You can see inside there in the track frame area or in the side of the chassis, everything there is very nice, straight, clean. Original white paint is there. We did paint the black. This does have the newer style undercarriage under it. Machine is a standard flow, and it is coming with a like new BOBCAT 80-inch tooth bucket that is in beautiful shape. And as I just stated here, brand new tracks. These are a 450 8652, so I lied, that is an 18-inch track. Standard auxiliary couplers here, standard half-inch, so 23-gallon a minute on a T650 K-strain, 7-pin attachment control device. As you can see there, we left everything original on the white. Heading in the cab, does have rear view mirror, does have the suspension seat. Again, this is a standard controls machine. Top of the cab's nice. Does have the sound deadening pack on it. So, we'll go over here. I'll go here first. Keyless dash. Go through everything. You see we have no active warnings. There's all your parameters. Pop over here, 2883 on the hours. No error codes. Here is your self-level option. You have HVAC. The air works excellent. Radio is here. You got your throttle. And up here you're going to have your hydraulically reversing fan. And it all works. It'll actually, you can hear it wind up and go. Right there it is. It just kicked in. Cab light all works. All the heater vents are in. Standard hand and foot machine. So, guys, cab door is nice and complete. I'm going to turn this back over to Landon. We're going to fire this machine back up. We're going to run around, show you what it's supposed to do. Here we go. So again, 74 horse machine. 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Again, we have no emissions on this as far as just an EGR valve. I really have always liked these 650 size machines. They have a really cool lean to market. You can trailer this a lot easier than a lot of things. Still do a pile work. We've owned and bought a lot of 650s over the years. Yeah, and again, just a really good running working machine. Background on this machine is we do know where it comes from. Come out of an asphalt wide track, brand new, just installed, actually on Friday last week. Standard control, auto reversing fan, self level, power quick attach, OEM 80-inch BOBCAT tooth bucket. Beautiful shape. Thing grades real nice. Something I always do here. I want to hook this. True standard power quick attach. Another real quick thing I'll do. I'll flip parking brakes on. Parking brakes hold the machine. That's something I always want to look at on a track loader. Guys, there it is. 2017 T650. Very good running working machine. Cab heat air, standard controls, auto reversing fan, AM FM radio, self level, keyless dash, brand new 18-inch wide tracks, brand new OEM BOBCAT sprockets. Did it all, and that way it was done. Guys, you got any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.